who wrote that
Don't smoke crack.
and said that Christ hates. They lying on God. I'm not gonna tell you everything, but I know that's a lie. God don't hate. He despises. He turns away. It's sickness in him. You know? Oh, I know that too. People take pictures of me without me even asking.
I'm looking at the internet, lady. You need to chill out.
That's the devil. See, because the devil don't care. He just imposes on you.
First of all,
on you.
I'm on YouTube.
Takes your privacy away.